This tutorial will show you how to create an easy drawing for the new year. First, I'm going to show you how to make the thick numbers. You start with your regular number drawing. We're going to use the year 2023, so we're going to learn how to draw the 2 and the 3. At every ending, make a vertical line. And then you do not want to touch the pencil lines, but you want to connect them to the vertical lines that you drew. Remember not to touch the pencil line. It's just your guide to know where you are going to place your outer lines. For the 3, there are 3 endings. So you're going to do 3 vertical lines. And then you're going to go towards the outside of the pencil, number 3, and then you're going to come to the inside. Remember not to touch the pencil lines. That is how you create your thick numbers. Now what we're going to do is you're going to erase all of your pencil lines. That's why you have to always draw very softly. After you've learned how to do your thick numbers, you are going to use the entire sheet to write the number 2023. And you're going to repeat what you just learned. Everywhere that you see an ending, you're going to do a vertical line. For the 0, there are no endings. So all you have to do is trace in the inside of the 0 and on the outside of the line. And remember never to touch that pencil line. Here, if the numbers are too close together, just pretend like they're in the background. So what you're going to do is you're going to skip drawing whatever line touches the previous number. Don't forget to erase your pencil marks. In the next step, you are going to very lightly start drawing random squiggly lines. They can be curvy, they can be straight. This doesn't matter. What you want to do is just create different spaces. Reminder, keep your pencil lines soft because then you're going to go over them with your Sharpie. You are basically splitting all your drawings into separate spaces. You will then start to fill out each space with a different color. You will choose between 3 to 4 different colors, any color that you want. The important thing to keep in mind is to never let 2 colors of the same color touch. So I chose 3 different colors. I would suggest you go with 4 because in the end I had to do a little solving situation where the 3 colors were right around each other. So it's better to use 4 colors rather than 3. Notice how none of them touch. They only touch in the corners. If you have a color that is repeating, choose a different color. So notice this last area. I have the pink and the yellow and the purple on 3 sides. So what I did is to solve that problem, I created an extra space and now I could do the different color. The pink wasn't repeating there and then the purple wasn't repeating. After that, this is optional. What I decided was to create a little shadow just so that I could make the 2023 year be a little bit more pronounced and more obvious. You don't have to do the border. There are many different ways that you can create it. Notice that you can do straight lines, you can do curved lines. It doesn't matter how you do it as long as you enjoy.